In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shop from Alibaba for personal use. If you've ever wondered how to buy just a few items from a site known for wholesale, this walkthrough will make it simple and stress-free. First, open your browser and go to Alibaba.com. Make sure you're on the official website. You can do this on desktop or mobile, and you may be asked to sign in later, so have your account details handy. Next, click the search bar and type the exact product you're looking for, like wireless keyboard or ceramic mug. Then click search. Use clear keywords, and if you see filters on the results page, such as ready to ship, minimum order of one, or trade assurance, those can help you find items suitable for personal use with reliable delivery. From the results, click the item you want. This opens the product page where you should slow down and read carefully, check the price range, the minimum order quantity, the variations like color or size, and the estimated shipping cost and delivery time. Scan the product description for materials, dimensions, and compatibility, and look at seller ratings and reviews for quality and service feedback. If something isn't clear, you can use the chat or message feature to ask the supplier about stock, packaging, or exact specs before you proceed. When you're confident, click Start Order on the product page. This begins the purchase flow. If the button isn't immediately visible, scroll a bit. It's usually near the pricing and options area. At this stage, you might be prompted to sign in. Enter the quantity you want. If the listing has a minimum order, make sure your number meets it. Some products allow single unit purchases, which is ideal for personal use. Adjusting the quantity may update your shipping estimate, so take a second to review the totals. Click Start Order again to continue. You'll move to the Order Details screen where you can finalize what you selected. Expect the system to guide you step by step. Now, fill out the shipping address. Enter your full name, street address, city, state or region, postal code, and a reachable phone number for the courier. Double check everything for accuracy. Small typos can delay delivery. If your building has special instructions, include them in the address line or notes. That's it. By following these steps, visiting Alibaba, searching clearly, selecting a suitable item, starting your order, setting your quantity, and entering a precise shipping address, you can confidently shop from Alibaba for personal use. Happy shopping!